Are you kidding me? Think about it. Make my day. Can I help you? Don't be silly. Nice try. Shame on you. Don't do that again. Don't blame yourself. Trust me on this. I'm not in the mood. Sounds good. I'll do my best. It's up to you. It's not like that. This dress fits me. Don't give me that look. Don't mess with me. It's my pleasure. Don't give up hope. Stop complaining. You disappointed me. Don't let me down. Who do you think you are? Let me be honest with you. I want it that way. I want to know. Forget it. Can you do me a favor? Give me a hand, would you? What are you talking about? That's not what I mean. Are you all right? Try another way. You can do it. I hear you. Don't worry. I'm like, what? Take it easy. It's unbelievable. Anyway, by the way, let me explain. That's cool. Are you busy? Excuse me. What are you trying to say? I don't think so. Are you free tomorrow? Do you understand? No way. Are you ready? Do you have time? It's on me. I'm going to pay. I like tea. I like coffee. I like soda. You must be kidding. It's a joke. Nice to meet you. Do you mind? I changed my mind. What is this called? Tell me about your day. What do you do for living, study, on weekend? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Don't be scared. Good attempt. What a surprise. You're wasting your time. Pay attention, please. Be careful. What brings you here? Don't you know it's dangerous? Is that what you think of me? Are you trying to impress me? Are you flirting with me? Are you coming with me? What's your hobby? You're bluffing. What's the matter? What would you like to drink? It's a piece of cake. My stomach hurts. Is this yours? What's your favorite food, drink, movie, song, sport? I can't talk right now. I'm happy to hear that. Let's get started. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play games. What's this film about? Is this your first time? Maybe next time. Don't lie to me again. What do you study? Please don't look at me like that. Wait right here for me. That's a good point. That's a good idea. Give me an example. Give me a break. I can't concentrate. Can I get you anything? Can you fix this? It's my duty. It's getting late. It's getting dark. What would you like to eat? I want to clarify something. I want to talk to you. Can I ask you something? Well done. Good job. Keep up the work. It makes a difference. Why not? See you later.